Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. May Allah Almighty bless you all of you where you are in the world and you are safe and secure. Ameen summa ameen. In today's video I am going to explain you how you can increase your watch hours for monetization. As you know, you have to complete 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours for monetization. Then you apply for monetization, and after monetization you will able to earn money from YouTube. So it's a very common question that how you can increase your watch hours. So in today's video I am going to explain you how you can use your laptop and desktop computer, and how you can create extension of browser from your Google Chrome browser, and how you can use these browsers for increasing your watch hours. So before going to start the video, if you are new here, a warm welcome to all of you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon so you will get latest video notification first of all. And if you are a returning subscriber, so I am very thankful to you for coming this video. I am very thankful to you for supporting me. Keep supporting me, guys. Okay. And one more thing, don't forget to share this video with your friends, because they also want to get information regarding how they can increase their watch hours for monetization. So if you share this video with your friends, so they will also get benefit from this video. So without wasting any time, let's move towards laptop screen. So I will explain you how you can create extension of Google Chrome browsers. So let's move towards laptop screen. Friends, now we are on laptop screen, and here you can see these are the different browsers which I have created. So now I'm going to explain you how you can create these browsers. So just for understanding purpose, I'm going to open a Google Chrome browser, and here you must log in a Gmail account. And here I log in the Gmail account, and here on the right side you can see the small icon. So you click on this icon, and here these are the browser which I have already created. So here you move down, and there is option of add. So you click on the option of add. So in this way a new window is open. So here you click on the second option, continue without an account. Here you must select a color. Suppose that I select this black color, and here you type the name. For example, you can type any name like 123 ABC XYZ or any other name. So I'm going to type 123. Okay, here select the color and type the name, and next click on the here there is an option of create a desktop shortcut, so you must click on this option as well, and next you click on the done option. So in this way your browser is created, and I'm going to create one more browser as well. So again click on this small icon of the Gmail account that you log in. Next move down, and at the end there is option of add. So click on the add option, and again click on the second option, continue without an account. And here you must select a color. For example, I select this color, and here you can type the name like for example 148, and next select create a desktop shortcut, and next click on the done option. So here another browser is created. So if I show you from the desktop, so here you can see these are the two browsers which I have created recently. Here you can see them. So now next question arises that how we can use these browsers. So for example, here you created all the browsers. Here for example I created these browsers on your desktop in form of shortcut. So next you, for example, here I cut these two browser, and I have created another separate folder like this folder. Here I have added all these browsers. So here I paste them, and there is one more browser I have created, so I also copy this browser and paste here. So in this way you will create your browser. It is up to you, either you will create 10, 15 or 20 browser. It depends upon your internet connection and your system. If your system is new, so 15 browser or more than 10 browser will run easily, and if your system is little bit old, so most probably 6 or 7 or maximum 8 browser will work. So in this way you will create your all the browsers. Next, for example, I am going to open this browser. So here you maximize the window. First of all, that you will do each and every time is click on these 3 dots. Next you click on the history option. Next click on the history, and here clear browsing data. So here you click on the all time option and you clear your all the data. This is clear history from one browser, and in the same way I am going to clear history from another browser as well. So for example, this is another browser. Click on these 3 dots on the right side. Next click on the history option, and next click on the history option again as well. So here you click on the clear browsing data option, and here you click on the all time and select all these and click on the clear data option. So in this way your history will clear, and it is necessary before start of watching any channel videos on these browsers. So in this way you clear your search history, and next you click on the YouTube option. So in this way YouTube will open on one browser. Now next, how you can start watching the videos. So for example, it take my internet connection is little bit down, so that's why it is taking few seconds to open. Here it is open now. Here you type the name of the channel. Make sure this method is only valid for non-monetized channel for increasing their watch hours for monetization. So here in YouTube search you type the name of the channel. For example, she is my friend channel, so I'm going to write this channel in YouTube searching, and I'm going to explain that how you can use these browsers. So here I open this channel. So here this is the channel which I'm going to open. So here you click on the home option and you move little bit down. So here you click on, there is option of uploads and option of play all. So you right click and open a new tab. So in this way the videos will start. Now when you will start watching the videos, so make sure you must mute the voice volume of your laptop or desktop computer which you have, but you are not allowed to mute volume from here. Okay, if you mute volume from here, YouTube algorithm detect it and all the watch hours that you will give is not count. So I reduce the volume of my system, so then I play this video. Next you click on this setting option and click on the playback speed, and next click on the 0.25 speed. Now what is the benefit of 0.25 speed? It is best for giving watch hours. For example, this video is 2 hours and 10 minutes long, so this video takes around about you can see, if 1 hour video will take 4 hours to complete, and 2 hour video takes 8 hours to complete, and 10 minutes long video takes 40 minutes to complete. I mean, every 1 minute video stretched 4 minutes while watching videos at the slow speed of 0.25. In this is 0.25 speed. This is best for a non-monetized channel for increasing their watch hours for monetization. But remember, this method is not valid for monetized channel. Next, you can move down, and here you can see when this video will finish, this video start, this start, and this way. For example, first time you play video and this video is finished. Okay, When next time you will play same channel videos, so you make sure you click on the next video. You can skip the second video because it's 7-minute video, so your preference is long video like this 2-hour video. Second time when you will watch this video, third time you can watch 4-number video, and in this way you can continue changing videos every time whenever you will give same channel watch hours. And you can give maximum 3 times one video watch hours from one IP address. Next, how you can use other browsers. So here you click on the link, and next you click on the right side of your mouse, and here you click on the copy option. So in this way you will copy the link here from YouTube. Please ignore background voices. Here you copy the link, and next all the browser that you have created. For example, I created this browser recently, and here it is open. For example, this is the browser open. So here you click, next click on the paste and go option. Click on the right side of your mouse, and next click on paste and go. So in this way the link will open here. No need to mute the volume from here, okay, but you can mute the volume of your laptop or desktop computer. Next you click on the setting option and make sure you play videos at the slow speed of 0.25. In this way you can minimize this browser as well and open another browser, and right click, next click on the paste and go option. So in this way you will open another browser as well. Next click on the setting option, and next click on the playback speed 0.25 here in this way. Again minimize this browser, open another browser, and you have already cleared search history from this browser, and here you can right click, next click on paste and go option. So another browser is start working in this way. So in this way you will use your maximum number of browser. So that is the procedure, that how you can create this browser and how you can use this browser. So hopefully this short this video is little bit long, so this is helpful for you. If you have any questions, so you can inbox me. My social media links are available in the description of this video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much. See you soon in some next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.